Hi everyone, welcome to Toothism. This is Dr. Samita Bahutule. I'm a pediatric dentist from Mumbai.
And this is Dr. Ketki. I am an oral and maxillofacial surgeon and founder of Toothism. And I welcome you all to our YouTube channel.
Guys, we have some exciting news for you, especially if you're a dental student. Dr. Ketki has written a book for you all. And trust me, it is one of a kind because we never had such a book during our BDS or MDS times. Right, Dr. Ketki?
Yes, you're right, Samita. Actually, that is the very reason I wrote this book. I imagine myself and the kind of problems I faced as a dental student and the important lessons I learned, and just kind of poured my heart out in this book.
Yes, I can see that. When I read the book, I could feel that you are feeling and you're just writing it out in your book. Especially the entire theme of the book, like you're sitting in a coffee shop and you're like, talking to me, and then one by one, everybody's joining in and they're contributing their part. So it's like everybody's sitting in a coffee shop and they're sharing their stories. So it's really interesting. I just love that theme of your book. It's really good.
Thanks for noticing that. And I wanted to share important lessons. And at the same time, I didn't want to make it a boring read. And that's why I have also included assignments at the end of every chapter. And when you complete those, I'm sure that you will get better clarity. And so I recommend everyone, please don't skip this part. I complete the assignments, and don't worry, they are not assignments like college assignments. They are very interesting and fun. I'm sure you'll enjoy them.
Yes, definitely. I myself have taken those assignments, especially that personal mission statement.
Yes.
I mean, I'm not a dental student anymore, but trust me, I really enjoy doing those assignments. So I agree. Please do not skip these assignments. Do complete. You'll have fun doing those assignments, I think.
Yes, chapter 1 is all about finding your reason why you're studying dentistry. We do so many things without actually thinking why we are doing them. And we need to think deeply if we really want to succeed in those things, right?
Right. True. Absolutely true. So, Ketki, I want to ask you one important question. How did you get an idea? This is like, because I don't think I've come across this book, like such kind of a book anytime before. So how did you get an idea of writing such a different kind of book? From where did you get the inspiration?
Actually, I'm very thankful to my YouTube channel for this, because you see, I post content mainly for dental students. So I'm blessed to be in touch with many of them, and on Instagram or even Facebook. Some of them send me messages asking for guidance in certain things, like what is the best way to study, how to remember different, mnemonics, how to prepare for NEET, whether to do MDS or not. So, I could have made a video answering these questions, but I thought that I want to give the dental students a complete guide, which will be with them.
Yeah, that's great. I enjoyed the personal stories of people, such as how they overcame mental harassment, or the failures during exams. The personal stories are just amazing.
Yeah, so I compiled all of the questions along with all of the problems I faced and tried to find the solutions. And for this, I also took help of other dentists, asked them what they faced as a dental student and the lessons they learned, because, I didn't want to give them one single perspective. I wanted them to get guidance from experts in this field. So if you open the chapter on career avenues, you will see Dr. Deepa Ravichandran, who is a prosthodontist and director of Dental Park. She has given her opinion regarding whether a person should do MDS or not. After reading that, I'm sure students will be able to decide what they exactly want to do.
Right. And I want to say there's one particular chapter which I liked in your book about hostel life. It brought back our hostel memories together. I mean, you as a roommate, I think you were one of the best roommates one could ever have. We were not really same kind of people. We were really different. We never really went out a lot together, but I think we did manage. In fact, we had a very good bond. We had these cordial relations, right? And we used to cooperate. We had this great understanding, and I don't think we ever troubled each other. We did have a few arguments. At the end of it, we put all these things behind, and we were there for each other. I think we never really, right?
Yeah, that's why we are here today.
And I'm so happy for you. I mean, I've known you since so long, and you were this shy kind of a person earlier. And now look at you. I mean, you're really grown as a person, so you have changed, and I'm really happy for you.
Actually, I'm still shy. I think it's a natural process. Change is the only thing that is constant, right? And I'm lucky to have been with the right people like you. And it was a slow growth. I once read a book, Atomic Habits. If you have not read it, please read it, guys. And if you change in that book, it was written, if you change yourself by just 1% every day, by the end of the month, it's 30% of improvement. And that's how real growth happens, and it's never overnight. In the same way, I know studying feels like a boring and tedious job to do every day, but you just have to aim for 1% improvement every day.
I agree, studying is very tedious in BDS, even in MDS, but I think in MDS you become a bit more responsible. And I personally like studying in MDS because all our professors used to always ask us why is this so, go find a reason, find evidence. And eventually you get a habit of this. Eventually you start finding a reason behind everything, and you become a bit more responsible. And from the practical point of view also, we are trained in such a way that we start handling the patients completely during MDS, or the appointments and everything. So for me, I think MDS, personally for me, it was like I enjoyed MDS more, but yeah, studying is really tedious in MDS, BDS both.
Yes. So do you think that doing MDS has changed you as a person?
Yes, definitely. I mean, I won't just say the theory knowledge or number of patients or just an additional degree. I think as a person, it has changed me a lot. I feel I've become more responsible, and being in pediatric dentistry, it has taught me to be more calm and being patient.
So Samita, you were one of the first people to read this book. So what's your review?
Honestly, Ketki, when you gave this book to me, the idea, I simply loved the idea of this book, because as I said before, I have never come across such a book. And then when I started reading it, I realized how important this book is. I mean, it doesn't teach us how to study, or how to concentrate and what to study, all these things. It has got other, I mean, of course, it does. It also tells you about how to write a paper, how to study one day before exam, 1 month before exam, or on the day of exam, during vivas, or how to handle how to deal with the seniors. Besides this, you have covered so many different topics, which is, different kind of apps which can help you to study, or how to make better use of your phone, the money management topic. We have never taught about these things. I mean, this is such an important thing, the money management part, or where you have talked about the hostel life. That was a fun chapter. Apart from this, the psychological part, which you have said, how it is important to have a good mental balance. And because this is one of the very important things that happens not just for dental students but for everybody. So I think this is like a total guide on how to be. And this is not like a jaldi read karo and finish it off type books, but it's like you can refer to it whenever you want. It's going to be of timely help to you. So it's like a total guide. I just love the book, Ketki. It's just amazing.
Thanks. So thanks for such a detailed and wonderful review. And I hope everyone else will like it as much as you liked it.
I'm sure. 2 more questions, Ketki. Are you planning to write a sequel or something like that, another book that we should be waiting for?
Actually, I haven't thought about it, but if I had to do it, I would write about what to do after BDS. Like there are so many other options apart from opening a clinic, and I have seen people do so many different things. So I would like to show the students what they can do.
Right. One last question, Ketki. Where is this book available? Where can the viewers buy this book from? Is there an ebook? Just tell us about it.
So you see, it's available as an ebook and also as a paperback. And if you want the ebook, you can get it on Amazon or Google Books. And if you want the paperback version, you will get it on Amazon or Notion Press. And if you're not from India, then you will get it on Amazon.com. So I know everyone has different preferences. Like I personally prefer a paperback. So I have kept it ebook as well as paperback.
That's great. That's great. So guys, after this video, you can get your own copy, and my well wishes with you, Ketki.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. And finally, I'm really hopeful that this book will guide the students and create a positive change in their life. And I really enjoyed writing it, and I hope they'll enjoy reading it as well. So
I'm sure.
So guys, that's it. We'll wrap this up so that you can start studying and watch other videos of this channel. And the study videos will be uploaded very soon. And I'm thankful to all of you for joining us today. And that's it. Bye.